Latest, we are picking up from top sources within the intelligence community and the MHA that this was a panic attack that happened. It was not a very planned attack. Of course, they were planning something, but the intended target was not achieved because of the Faridabad module of the terror entirely being busted by the J&K police, the and other agencies, including the Haryana police, also which facilitated the entire raid. What we are being told is that there were no splinters that were found there. There were no splinter injuries. Also, the CNG. There was another theory of a CNG blast or a LPG blast. The CNG of this particular vehicle was found intact. It did not burst during the entire exercise of the explosion. And apart from that, there were no crater formation also in that particular area. So the well coordination between J&K police, the Delhi police special cell, and other agencies and intelligence community ensured that a massive terror attack could be averted in the national capital and the NCR region. Apart from that, I'm also learning that as of now, the NIA has officially taken over the entire investigation. They will be looking threadbare into it, and there will be raids that could be carried out in Delhi, UP, Haryana, and other locations to completely decimate this Jaish-e-Mohammed module. So that's the latest that we are picking up, that when Umar actually came in, yesterday towards New Delhi, it was in panic because he did not know what to do. When all his accomplices were arrested, most of the material that they had was also taken into custody. He had no option but to leave from that parking and trigger that kind of, a bomb blast without an objective, without a vital installation in mind. So Red Fort seemed to be the right place because he must have heard in preachings of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Maulana Masood Azhar in the past that Red Fort could be that iconic place where this could be triggered. But remember, yesterday Red Fort was shut, so there were no tourists out there. There were no international tourists, so crowd was less. It was unfortunately only local e-rickshaw walas and the local shopkeepers and passerby who became victims. But a major terror attack was really averted by the Indian agencies.
And now it all ties in because the way in which this man.
One poster pasted late on the 16th of October in Srinagar in Naugam blew the lid off a dangerous terror conspiracy stretching across states. In fact, Aditya Raj Kaul has been tracking all the finer developments for us. He joins us from outside the Red Fort premises. It's over to him for the latest details.
Hello and welcome to the viewers. The big breaking development that is coming at this hour is that a poster that led to this entire conspiracy being exposed is being broken here on NDTV. NDTV has exclusively accessed the poster that was pasted at Naugam in Srinagar around 16th, 17th October, and then the investigation, a CCTV video of Naugam, Srinagar, of Adil posting this poster actually came to the notice of the Jammu and Kashmir police, the Srinagar police, and finally there were arrests made around 27th of October. Adil was picked up from Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh. So exclusive details of the poster that led to this entire Jaish-e-Mohammed terror conspiracy and the doctor module being busted, and finally, unfortunately, the Delhi bombing as well. This poster has been accessed by NDTV. NDTV is putting out this poster that was pasted in Naugam of Srinagar. This poster is by Jaish-e-Mohammed, by Adil, who is in fact referring to doctors and new recruits. This was done for terror propaganda and new recruitment to be done in Srinagar and other areas neighboring for the Jaish-e-Mohammed. This poster is clearly indicating of how the details of the terror conspiracy were being spread, and if this poster was not had not come to light, then there would have been a major terror attack perhaps in the national capital. The Srinagar police, the J&K CID came to notice of this poster around 16th, 17th October. On your screens, it's the Jaish-e-Mohammed poster that led to this entire investigation beginning. The posters led the police in J&K to Adil, the doctor who was part of the Jaish-e-Mohammed syndicate, the doctor module, and finally to Muzammil in Faridabad, Haryana. God forbid, if this poster had not come to light to the investigators of the J&K police, the Srinagar police and the CID, then unfortunately there could have been a much worse terror attack in the national capital that had been planned earlier in August and then pushed to December, the 6th December, on the anniversary of the Babri Masjid. So the latest investigation continues all across from Delhi to Jammu and Kashmir to Haryana. But breaking here on NDTV are the posters of the Jaish-e-Mohammed that we are putting out on your screens. Exclusive visuals of that particular poster that was